Hello everyone in YouTube land, welcome to a Mickey Crazy Stupid Pointless tutorial. Tonight I'm going to show you how I make some really cool rhythms with a balloon. So we've got a balloon here, a couple of things, little safety things. Don't let go of these things, especially in your mouth and when you're doing some of the breathing stuff I'm going to do, because you really don't want to inhale a balloon or have it go too far in, because you don't want to choke on these things. It's not pleasant. So make sure your hands are nice and always in contact somewhere. Basically, I stupidly get a balloon, blow it up, do some really cool rhythms, make the air escape in rhythm, bang it around a bit. So the first thing you want is a balloon that you've blown up a few times, because new ones are even harder to blow up because they haven't been stretched. So we get an old one, an older one that's been around. You blow him up. Oh God, no wonder they use this for lung exercise. Alright, so we've got him nice and big. You don't want him to hit anything sharp either at the moment, because that'll be a disaster. So, if you want to make some cool rhythms, what you can do, not only can you whack him, so you can also, if you get the fingers right, the coordination, let the air out in time. So let's do a slow little beat. You gotta hold the neck firm. Don't tie it up, because then you won't be able to do it. Oh dear, this isn't working very well, is it? Right, let's try again. So, and if you're really creative, now you've got to be careful here because you don't want to become lightheaded or something. You can also, stop escaping when I'm trying to, you can also blow into the balloon in rhythm, but this takes a bit of work, and don't, if you feel like you're getting dizzy or something, don't do it. So watch this. So really be careful doing that. You will get tired. It's the kind of, this is the kind of the exercises they do for people who are playing a trumpet or something. They get them to, they do these big exhales. They go, they go like as quick as they can, you know, and they get them to do it. And sometimes they actually get them to use a balloon. So this is a terrible tutorial, isn't it? This is really bad. So let's blow them up. Let's give them a bit more air, because they lose a bit of air when you're doing this. And if you're really good, you can even squeak him in rhythm. So if you don't escape. Oh, wait. So we could go. No. Oh, that was a terrible rendition of My Sharona. I'm gonna end this tutorial, because no doubt it's just dying. And there you go. There's your tutorial. So if you're ever bored, and God knows why, but if you're ever bored and you want to make some silly sounds, Get a balloon, blow it up, and do some stupid things with it.
Stop recording.